This is the most satisfying workplace drama story to learn English from. My ex boss taught me about responsibility, so I returned the favor. I had a boss for 5 years. We'll call her Jay. I worked with young children with disabilities. That is so kind of you. Some of the issues I had with Jay range from minor problems, as never responding to emails, not providing basic necessities. That sounds like a major problem, but okay, let's go on. Which our program was supposed to provide, etc. Two major issues, such as accusing me of breaking student iPads, repeatedly asking me to do illegal things, side eye, not responding to child abuse complaints, laughing at me when I shared how concerned I was about some of this, making my staff cry on a weekly basis. Alright then, some of her favorite quotes were: I pay you, you do what I want. If you don't like it, go work at Walmart. That's why you're not the boss. Be your own problem solver. A complete and total asshole. After 5 years, I couldn't take it anymore. My last day of work, my colleagues had a party for me and they had all signed a card. My boss signed it. Not everyone is cut out for this level of responsibility. Good luck. Oh my god. So last week, imagine my reaction. Wait for this. You're gonna want to watch this. When I see her mugshot posted on social media, arrested for DUI. So I sent her a thinking of you greeting card. Inside, I wrote, "So sorry to hear about your arrest. Not everyone is cut out for this level of responsibility. Good luck." I bet she loves that comment. I hope you loved this story and you also gained some useful English vocabulary in the meantime, because that is what we do at Mentorly Learn. We try to teach different topics in fun and engaging ways. So you can go to the first link in the description to get on the waitlist for the Mentorly Learn platform. And if you do it now, you get 1 month free for all pro plan features when we launch. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want to get notified for more content like this. For now, bye bye.